Stretch, the sun is here. Time to start with a great big cheer. Rub your eyes, hop out of bed. Let's begin with sleepyhead.
Brush, brush, brush your teeth so white. Make them sparkle, oh so bright. Splash your face and wash your hands. Now you're fresh, oh aren't you grand?
Pick your shirt and pants today. Socks and shoes, now you're on your way. Zipper zipped and buttons done. Getting ready can be fun.
Sit down nicely, it's breakfast time. Fruits and toast and milk so fine. Fuel your body, chew and smile. This gives you energy for a while.
Ready to learn or play? Pack your bag or grab your toy. Learning new things brings such joy. Off to school or time to play. It's the start of a wonderful day.
Check the weather.
Look outside, what's the weather today? Sunny or cloudy, the way's okay. Grab your coat or wear your cap. You're dressed just right now, give a clap.
Or take a breath, feel your feet. Wiggle your fingers, isn't that neat? Close your eyes, count 1 to 4. Now you're ready to explore some more.
I am strong and I am kind. I have courage and a curious mind. I can learn and I can grow. There's so much that I'll get to know.
Make your bed and clean your space. Put your things back in their place.
Neat and tidy, what a view. You did your job, go you.
Say hello to your furry friend. A morning cuddle you can send. A scratch, a treat, a belly rub. They're part of our morning club.
Move your body, jump up high and touch the sky. Spin around and don't be shy. Wiggle, shake and stomp your feet. Move into the morning beat. Say goodbye, hug your grown-up, wave goodbye. A little kiss, a sweet high five. I love you is the best to say. Now go and have an awesome day. Good morning, now we're all set. The best kind of day is the one we get.
With kindness, fun and things to do, the day is waiting just for you.
It's Ziko Kiddies World.